going back the same way that I walked earlier today. Coming back from the computer place, I'm actually heading back down the same direction because apparently there's a little hidden gem of a seafood restaurant that is just past the second main road where I've got to do the little diversion under the bridge. So it's not quite as far as Laptopcare, but it's probably about 3/4 the distance, so I'll take it easy. I don't feel hot yet, and I'll just try to not overexert myself. And because if I wanted to use Grab this time, I'd be up for 25 grand. So obviously that was like an introductory offer, I think, was the zero amount. It's still very good value for say going to the airport. I think it's like slightly less than half the price that you'd pay with a taxi, so I've got no complaints. But I'm still going to get an airport pick-up at Danang. I just think it's a smarter move. If I had a better SIM card that had better reception, I might be able to use Grab from the airport, but even then I'm not sure if they got access to the airport, so that's always an issue. But going to the airport is not an issue, but getting picked up from it maybe. So I'll do it. I'll take the safe option. See how we go. So I'm just I've had my first trip on Grab and it was good, but I'm certainly wet behind the ears still. I don't know exactly how that system works long term. Just have to suss it all out. But at least I know it works, that's the main thing. Definitely worth doing. Even if I pay cash, it's cheaper than getting taxis. So. And the driver was fine. I didn't have any issues with him at all. He was a good driver. So it's a great alternative. So my days of venison and my ling may be not over necessarily, but very limited, I think. But this seafood restaurant's apparently quite cheap, but has also got the pancakes, so it's got a variety of food, and the owner speaks fluent English apparently, so it's got rave reviews from a lot of people. And the thing I like is it says that it's very authentic Vietnamese, very few tourists go there, it's the real deal, and so it sounds great. Certainly non-pretentious. You didn't spend money on decor and things, you get it for the food, which is what I would like to prioritise. It sounds good to me. Now, I'm putting the camera far too close to my mug. I've got to keep it at more of a distance. Might have been that dog I saw the other day. Yeah, so I've got a bit of a hike here. Actually, I'm in the sunny side of the street, I think. I probably should be walking over that side, but oh god, they've been cleaning this pavement all day. I think I did it when I came down. It's about an hour or two ago. So, a good variety of stuff this is selling. It's not a particularly long walk, but it is the middle of summer, so it's a bit, well, it's warmish time of year anyway. So, I'd like to at least stay in the shade, what shade we've got. Well, I'm just sitting near the balcony of 33 Tham, the restaurant. That's the view. Nice breeze. It's a reasonable sized place. But menu's good. The beer's cheap. The basic Saigon's only 15,000. It's an excellent, decent sized bottle too, which is great. And they definitely have the pancakes there on the menu. It's a big menu, really big. So yeah, I'm very impressed. I've got to say, it's very impressive. Just don't know how much I want to eat, but I definitely want that. Definitely got to try the pancake. Just maybe should have that and see how I go. I mean, I've got no rush. It's not the prettiest part of town, but this is a big restaurant and obviously doing well. Yeah, quite impressed. Very nice. I did point to that, and the girl didn't sort of get that. I was putting in my order, I don't think. I'm not sure. I better double check that. So I better get the food happening now, I think. It's a fairly quiet time of the day to be here though. Well, the crispy Vietnamese pancake has arrived, and the girl actually cut it up. She had scissors, literally just normal scissors, just to cut it up in different pieces. And apparently got to dip it all, the greens and the pancake, into this dip here, the sauce. And we'll see what it's like. It's supposed to be crispy. I guess that's crispy. Yeah, I suppose it is, yeah. It's not bad. I'll tell you, give you an evaluation when I've finished. I also ordered some garlic spinach, and I could only get through a little less than half of it. It was such a generous serve. That's 40,000 just for that. And the pancake was good. Had a bit of filling in it. I think a lot of people, when they go to the tourist places, they skimp on the fillings and try to cut costs that way. But here, the portions are good, really good. So yeah, I've got no complaints, and the beer is incredibly cheap. So it's a good sign. It's a good local place, not a tourist place, and I'd come back here and try some of the seafood. That's the irony. Well, there's a little bit of seafood in the pancake, but I didn't actually have any squid or anything like that, which I will order next time. Squid's about 110, so it's getting up there a bit. But I'm sure it's quite a generous serve, so we'll check it out. And they also got rabbit and various other things. It's quite an extensive menu, actually. Pork liver, that's another thing that's on there, and of course frogs are on the menu, so it's very extensive. The fish is pricey because it's got market prices down the bottom, down the back of the menu, but it's pretty good value, really. I think it's excellent value. So yeah, definitely a go-to place. Pretty genuine. Yeah, this is the entrance to the restaurant. I actually didn't really pick it. I had to look at the sign there, but they've got a few tanks there with seafood. But like I say, big portions, good value, non-pretentious. A whole lot of rubbish down the back. That was funny. I looked down the opposite end of the room, and there just seems a whole lot of crap that they're just thrown together down there. So. But the front's good. You've got a nice view. It's a view. I wouldn't say it's a nice view, but there's a breeze. That's good. This is all a market area, so it's right next to the actual market. It sets up here, so you know, they may even source some of their produce from here. They'll probably go to a wholesale market though, I'd imagine, getting up to some ungodly hour. But yeah, it doesn't look quite as good without all the produce here. Well, this guy's setting up some stuff. The spinach was so generous, I just couldn't get through it. It was a big plate of spinach. It'd be good as a side dish for a group of people, but for one person, oh, way too much. But I did want to get some greens into me, so it was good. But yeah, all in all, pretty impressed. It's a good place. The reviews are accurate again, and that's nice to see. What is that? It's a weird looking thing. Very strange looking motorbike. I don't know what modification they've done to that. Never seen anything like that before. Anyway, got to walk all the way back home now. And I'll just relax and go to the bar tonight, and then I'll be hopping onto the plane tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock flight to Danang. So yeah, it'd be good for a change. I just hope that they got the message to pick me up from the airport. So. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you think there's anything there of use to you, or entertainment or whatever. And either do that or give me a thumbs up, or if you're feeling really energetic, do both. That'd be great. But please don't ignore me. That's the worst thing you can do on YouTube, is be ignored.